You are going to love the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $65,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. Come see the car for yourself.